Hello guys, review smartphone Realme C33. This version 4GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay, model Realme C33. Okay, open box. Look completion, black color, and in completion we have only adapter for charging and this micro USB cable. Okay. And now talk about the device. Device made of plastic. On the back side double camera LED. On the front side display 6.5 inch. On this side power key with fingerprint scanner and warm keys. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. We have display IPS HD resolution, HD plus resolution, and open tests Geekbench. Android 12, Unisoc Tiger T612, this CPU, octa-core processor 1.8 GHz CPU speed, and GPU Mali G57. Look results. Okay, and open under the benchmark. Look under the benchmark results. Okay, good results. Close this and open GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Game works perfect on the max graphic level. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.